The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a flash flood warning for LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana until late 29 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rainfall across the warned area. Between 3 to 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible as well. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Source: Doppler radar and public. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage in low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Michigan City, Potawatomi Park, Trail Creek, Long Beach, Michiana Shores, LaPorte, Westville, Winetta, Hanna, and Kingsford Heights. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roadways. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:29 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: LaPorte, Indiana,